Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Instagram content with metadata export detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram's official website. Log in to your Instagram account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From your profile page, click on the settings icon represented by a gear wheel or three horizontal lines. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Privacy and Security option. Click on Privacy and Security to access additional settings. Within this section, find the Data Download option. Next, click on Request Download. You will be prompted to enter the email address where you want to receive the download link. After entering the email address, select the format for your data export, either HTML or JSON. Make sure to also enter your Instagram password when prompted to verify your identity. Once all information is entered, click on the Next button. Instagram will process your request to gather your data, which may take a few moments. You will receive an email from Instagram once your data is ready for download. Open the email and follow the link provided to download your data. You may need to log into your account again to confirm your identity before the download starts. Once the download is complete, extract the files from the downloaded zip folder. Inside, you will find folders that contain your photos, videos, and metadata related to your Instagram content. Review the files to confirm that everything has been successfully saved. For extra security, consider backing up these files to an external hard drive or cloud storage for safekeeping. This method ensures that your Instagram content and associated metadata are securely stored and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.